Welcome to J2S Medical's instructional video series. Today we will demonstrate how to install the J2S Medical Bezel Hinge Repair Kit. To complete this installation, you will need the following tools:
static pad and grounding strap,
power drill, needle nose pliers, number 1 and 2 Phillips head screwdriver, diagonal wire cutters, 9/64 hex key. We will begin the process of installing the J2S Medical Bezel Hinge Pin Kit with the door already removed from the module. Inspect the upper hinge area and make sure to remove the original broken hinge pin so that the hinge is flush. Place the drill alignment fixture on top of the bezel and secure the fixture using the set screw. Install the drill bit that has been provided into drill and drill hole into bezel utilizing the drill alignment fixture. Remove the drill alignment fixture and any debris. Install the J2S upper hinge pin and place the threaded insert onto the back side of the bezel hinge so that the hinge pin can be tightened into place.
This concludes installation of the upper hinge. We will now demonstrate how to repair the lower hinge.
Remove the lower hinge and wire harness by removing the rivet securing the hinge to the bezel. Pull the lower hinge downward to remove. Once lower hinge is removed, carefully cut the old plastic hinge so that the wire harness assembly can be removed. Assemble the replacement hinge by placing the two halves around the wire harness assembly. Install the hinge into the bezel and secure with rivet. The installation of the hinge pin kit is now complete and the door can be assembled and placed onto module.
Thank you for choosing J2S Medical. For further assistance, please call 844-DIAL-J2S or visit our website at www.j2smedical.com.